is we back at it with the vlogs this year for the 12 days of Christmas.
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah.
What are you most excited about?
What did Jay also?
Don't worry about what she said.
I was gonna reflect on it.
Make up your own answer, bruh.
Food.
You excited about the food? It's gonna be lit. Big lit, little lit. Hey. Say what it do, what it do.
What it do.
Ooh, we vlogging for the 12 days of Christmas. Right?
Yeah.
Where do we just come from?
We just came from Julian's. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yep.
We bought a planner for Mom and 2 notebooks for me.
Word. What you about to do with those planners, sis? Or not planners, notebooks.
Write in them.
What?
Write in them.
Write what in them?
Realistic fiction stories.
Okay then. Okay then. Are you excited
Yes.
to be vlogging
Yes.
this holiday season?
Yes.
Is it finna be lit?
Yes.
Big lit? A little lit?
Big leg.
Hey.
Hello. I just
Make sure that you're getting the angles right, sis. No, you gotta put it up landscape.
I just got back from school. Mom just got back from Chinese place.
From work.
Yeah. And I am about to steal her fortune cookie.
What it do, baby? What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? I mean, period. Send it real quick.
Alright. So right here is all this white stuff right here is snow. These are our Christmas lights up at the top.
Okay.
Some more Christmas lights. And
And then we got some
Christmas
trees
lights up in the front. We got a snowman.
and
All right,
some
so boom.
trees.
Can you lift it up though? Yep, yep.
Be careful.
Give me some rotation, y'all.
Bushes.
Bushes, you know what I mean? Landscaping, what's good?
We got some pathways.
Okay, okay. Give me angles. Give me angles. I like it. Period. All right, girls. Let's see. JL, present. Show me what's good.
We have little star windows and doors.
That's all right.
We have a bunch of lights over here.
And now you.
He just killed
And
himself.
now you.
Right, he jumped
Now you
ship.
lost a man.
It's okay. It's okay.
And then
He was tired.
And then
Good job, y'all. Dina, let me see yours, Dina.
Dina,
Maybe
tell them about it.
Maybe
Represent.
we
wanna
could
tell
have
them
a
about
chimney if it weren't for you.
Tell them about it.
Exactly.
Okay,
It
what's
would
this?
look 10 times more better.
So
if
we got
you wanted to add the
peppermint.
chimney.
We got peppermint
You
candies.
convinced me.
And then what'd you do on this side? What'd you do? What are those?
I found it on
What
the
are-
table.
Go ahead.
No, you
Gum
got me.
drops. And then what are
Yes.
these? These are more gum drops,
Not lying.
right?
How many of these?
And they're orange and purple and stuff. With lots of icing,
That was
right?
me.
Okay.
Yes, sis, you did that. Good job. Good job, you guys.
That's nice.
So.
Good morning, you guys. It is Monday morning and it is snow outside. I haven't washed my face yet. Don't judge me. Yes, I sleep in my makeup sometimes. We have snow, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like last night we were hanging out and like, you know, doing the gingerbread thing, and then the next thing I know, it was time for them to go, and we got 2 inches of snow last night. Like, I did not expect that at all. But for whatever reason, it's bringing me great joy. It's allowing me to like really wake up slow today. Got my coffee, you know, all of that. And luckily, I don't have to rush out of the house this morning. I got my daughter to the bus stop. The older kids get themselves to the bus stop. So I have a few hours to myself in the house. So I'm just going to get a bit... So I'm just going to get a bit of editing done, and eventually I will go on ahead and shower. I do have to run in the salon for a couple hours today nothing major. So I will keep up with you guys throughout the day. Hopefully we'll be getting some shopping done today. So I might bring you along for that. So see you guys in a little bit. What's up, you guys? It is currently Wednesday, and I realized that I did not necessarily close out this vlog. I woke up this morning feeling like crap. My ear has been hurting. I don't know. I have this tingle in my throat. I feel like I'm about to come down with something. So I'm going to give myself a rest, but I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog. I just wanted to close it out, and thank you guys so much for tuning in, and make sure that you stay tuned to the rest of the 12 days of Christmas. So until the next one, peace out.